right, look at this cool ramp racer. Let's see how many cars we have. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. How about the colors? We have color yellow, red, blue, and green. Look at this colorful ramp. Let's see the colors. Red, blue, green, yellow. And how many ramps are there? Can anybody tell me? Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's start our race. Who do you guys think should go first? The green racer? Alright, let's get started. Yay! Now we switch the lever. Who should go next? The blue driver? Alright, blue driver, you're up. Now we push the lever. Now there's only 2 racers left. Who should go next? The yellow one? Alright. Our final racer is the red racer. Now let's put them all in. Yellow, green, red, and blue. Alright kids, I had lots of fun. Thank you. Bye.